to Topper Engineering Classes. In today's video, we'll see the verbal questions that came in TCS NQT in previous years. And let's start with the video. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as well as if after seeing the video, if you liked it, please hit the like button and also share it with your friends. Let's start with the video. Here, directions for question 1 to 3. Choose the word or group of words which is most similar in meaning to the word or group of words. So we have to just look for the similar words that are given in the options for this question. So we have to see the similar word for clamored. So what does this mean? Clamored means basically shout loudly or insistently. I'll write it here. Shout loudly and insistently. Okay. So we'll see I'll in the first question, like this is our first question, so I'll explain each and every option given here so that you get a idea to how to solve in the exam. Okay, so here acclaimed means publicly praised or celebrated. So this is totally a wrong option. As we have to see the most similar word, so this option will get eliminated. Next, uploaded. Uploaded means basically clapping uh, or praising by clapping, and the third option is cried. Cried means for crying, like we shout loudly while crying and all. So yes, this can be our answer, but let's look in the remaining options as well. So refused means indicate or show that one is not willing to do something. So like this is not similar word to clamored, so we'll eliminate this option as well. Next is decided. Now decided means like decided is something like having clear opinions, etc. So this option will also get eliminated. So our option C, cried, will be the correct answer. Next, stimulate. For these questions as well, we have to find the most similar word from the given options. Now, stimulate means raise levels of, or in easy words, encourage or arouse interest in, or enthusiasm. Okay, so here increase means become or make greater in size. So this is not similar. Next, good. Good and stimulate. Stimulate, I said, okay, I'll write it here so that it would be helpful for you all to understand. Okay, stimulate means encourage. So, yeah, increase doesn't mean to encourage, and GO is like look properly. This is not GOOD, it is GOAD, which means provoke or annoy someone so as to stimulate an action or reaction. That is similar to encourage, right? We are stimulating an action or reaction, or we are provoking, so encouraging like thing. So this can be our correct answer, but let's look in the next options as well. So project means an individual or collaborative enterprise that is carefully planned to achieve a particular aim. So this is not what we want. This is not similar. Exhilarate means make feel very happy, make someone feel very happy or elated. So this is feeling, making someone feel happy and encouraging is not at all similar. So this will also get eliminated. The next is weaken. Weaken means make or become weaker in power, resolve or physical strength. So this is not at all similar. So our option B will be the correct answer. Next question. Here spur. Spur means give an incentive or encouragement to someone. Okay. The options given are hindrance, trigger, curb, impede, prohibit. So our correct answer for this will be trigger. The group of words which is most opposite in meaning of the word or group. So we have to find opposite meaning here, and I am explaining each and every option given in the question just because there are many students who are not good in verbal, so that they get eliminated in the verbal section itself. So it's good for those students who are not good in or average in verbal ability. So it's for those students so that they can learn and do well in the exam. And if you are good in English, so you can skip this part and just look for the answers. Okay. Um, yeah. So let's start with the fourth question. Here, viable means capable of working successfully or feasible. Feasible. Or that means capable of working successfully. And don't forget that we are looking for an opposite meaning word. Here, practicable is kind of similar because we are capable of working, like capable of practicing for making the work successful. So, this is similar, but we are looking for an opposite word. So, this option will not be our right answer. But since it is similar, so I am giving a right tick. Now, reasonable means again the same. It is kind of similar. Feasible means as viable. I have written it here. And impossible. Yes. Here impossible is something like uh, it is not similar. It is opposite. We can literally say that it is opposite to viable. Like impossible means uh, we are not capable of working successfully. So this particular option will be our correct answer. Like it is opposite. Okay, next sluggish. Now here sluggish, here also we have to look for the opposite word. So sluggish means slow moving or inactive. Slow moving or inactive. Yes, so here indolent means wanting to avoid activity or exertion or lazy. Okay, but it is similar to sluggish, so it will not be the correct answer. Next, alert. Alert means quick to notice any unusual and potentially dangerous or difficult circumstances. Like we are alert while doing anything. So we are not inactive in this case. So this can be our correct answer. But let's look for the next options as well. Lifeless is kind of being inactive, so this option will get eliminated since we are looking for opposite one. Slack doesn't mean uh, slack is also not opposite to sluggish, and slow is also not opposite to sluggish. So we are left with option B, that is our correct answer. Next, directions for question 6 to 10. Read each sentence to find out whether there is any grammatical or idiomatic error in it. If any error is present, choose that particular option as answer. If there is no error, the answer is E. That is ignore errors and ignore errors of punctuation if any. So if there is no error in the given options, the option will be E, that is no error. So let's start. In the question 6, the CBI has filed a petition in NIA court here seeking its permission to interrogate a Sri Lankan national held for allegedly spying for Pakistan. So here option A is the correct answer because there is some error, and if you are having any doubt in this, please ask me in the comment section. I'll answer it there. But for those who know it, uh, I'll take the correct answers directly. Question 7. The government appraised the court about instituting uh, another committee that would review and draft amendments to the five key laws over environment, forest, wildlife, air, and water. So here another should be other. The government appraised the code about instituting other committee that would review and draft amendments to the five key laws over environment, forest, wildlife, air, and water. So our option B is the correct answer. Question 8. In the absence of a legal guarantee of safety and privacy, the court should not ask for sources to be revealed, especially when the cases at stake involve powerful people in politics and business. So I don't think there is any error in this question. So our option E will be the correct answer. That is no error. Yes. Uh, Question 9. Government plan to link the Universal Health Assurance Scheme for providing medical treatment to all citizens with Aadhaar number to check ghost beneficiaries. Now here, government plans. It should be plans, not plan. So our option A will be the correct answer. Question 10. The Supreme Court has ruled that citizens have no fundamental right to carry out business in potable liquor, and the state has the power to prohibit such trade. So here there is some error in option C. So option C will be the correct answer. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. Question 11. Current deposit accounts are opened to dash transaction. Okay, here we have to do the fill in the blanks thing. So we have to find the most appropriate options from the given option. So let's start. The current deposit accounts are open to dash transactions of business and trade, and hence not dash to any interest from the bank. Okay, so here option we'll see current deposit accounts are open to accept transaction, no. Open to do transactions, again no. Are open to seek transaction, no. Are open to meet transactions of business and trade, and hence not entitled to any interest from the bank. Yes, this can be the correct answer, but let's look for the last option as well. So find current deposit accounts are open to find transaction, no. So our option D will be the correct answer. This is how you have to be very quick in the exam, to complete all the questions within the given time. The opening up of insurance sector has resulted in dash of new products, particularly the unit linked products which offer both capital dash and insurance cover and have attracted the attention of the insured. Okay, so the correct option here will be option D. That is, the opening up of insurance sector has resulted in introduction of new products, particularly the unit linked products which offer both capital appreciation and insurance cover and have attracted the attention of the insured. So our option B will be the correct answer. Question 13. The Reserve Bank exercises its supervisory role that dash the financial system dash commercial and urban cooperative banks, financial institutions and NBFCs through the Board of Financial Supervision. Okay, so here the correct answer is over and encompassing, that is E. The Reserve Bank exercises its supervisory role over the financial system, encompassing commercial and urban cooperative banks and so on. So option E will be the correct answer. Okay, question 14. It is dash that Congress leader Shashi Tharoor had to lose his job as the party's spokesperson. Dash for praising a man who had called Tharoor's wife rupees 50 crore girlfriend. Okay, so here the correct option is A. That is, it is ironical that Congress leader Shashi Tharoor had to lose his job as the party spokesperson, allegedly for praising a man who had called Tharoor's wife a rupees 50 crore ghost. Okay, so our option A will be the correct answer. You can go through all the options. Like this video is being too lengthy, so I'm just giving you the correct answer. But you can pause the video and look for the other options too. Question 15. More than 2 lakh students dash up to 2 years preparing for the common admission test CAT, all in the attempt to dash a seat at one of the top business school in the century. Okay, so correct answer here would be more than 2 lakh students spend up to 2 years preparing for the common admission test, that is CAT, all in the attempt to secure to a seat at one of the top business school in the century. So our option C will be the correct answer. Next, directions for question 16 to 20. In the following questions, a sentence has been given with some of its parts in bold. To make the sentence grammatically correct, replace the bold part with correct alternative options given below. If the if the sentence is correct as it is given, option D. Uh, okay, here it should be option E, not D. If there is no correction required, so we'll take the option E, not D. Okay. So let's start. In the past 2 years, Goa witnessed high growth in household saving and was one of the few states where inflation declined. Okay. So we have to look for the correct uh, sentence for the bold part given. So here we can see that household saving and was one of the few state is quite wrong. So it should be savings and was one of the few states, not state. Okay, so here we can see option C, savings and was one of the few states. So our option C will be the correct answer. Question 17. India should not tolerate Chinese incursion of its territory and realize that appeasement of an assertive China is a recipe for global marginalization. So here we have to look for the correct sentence for this bold sentence. So here in this question, incursion should be incursions, Chinese incursions of will become into. Of is not the correct word here. So incursion into its territory. So for, like option D, incursions into its territory would be the correct answer. By deciding to allow, here deciding to allow the Indian private sector to bid for the entire lot of 6 submarines, the government has ended a debate. Okay, so here I don't think there is any correction needed. So our option E, that is no correction required, will be the correct answer. To illustrate my point, I have been taking the example of 3 cars from 3 different segments. Okay, here I have been taking can be replaced or cannot be replaced. We'll see. So for this, I have been taking. So I guess I could be taking, not have been. Like I could be taking the example of 3. Like he's saying to illustrate my point, I could be. Like So this option D would be the correct answer. The Congress Working Committee will be restructured and young faces will be inducted. Here, clearly we can see that it should be restructured, not restructure. So here D is needed, nothing else. So our option B will be restructured and young faces will be inducted. So this option B will be the correct answer.